the issue has been there, and many times it is a question of the understanding of the words, not necessarily the script, but the words. I was thinking, of course, everybody knows, even ordinary people in a simple parallel. Okay? You know, everybody knows na si Pope John Paul II namatay, no? Pero santos na, meaning ang kalagboy, no? Ang lawas, dito sa kwan, no? Cemetery, no? In the strict sense of the word, no, the parallel, no, is something to that effect, no? Nga bisan, no, mayroon ikaw nga namatay siya, no? Pero in the strict sense of the word, the soul does not die, no? Because the soul is spirit, no? Nagkintuwa na itong santos, kaya dito sa langit, no? Bisan pang iyalawas niya sa lusa, no? Yes. To me, the parallel, no, as we made very clear, no? Jesus, no? Jesus being human, no, and divine, in the strict sense of the word, no? The divine really, in that sense, does not die, no? Meaning, in that sense, we understand, no? Namatay, pero ang iyang lawas na gin, no? Ang galag, nasa lang yun naman gani, no? So, the same with Jesus, no? We're saying, Jesus Christ died, no? Pero ang sa ako nauna, sa ako, lawas na ganyan namatay, no? Pero kay Diyos na ganin siya, kung ang tawag ganin nga mamatay, ang iya ganin ka lang, hindi mamatay, labi ng Diyos.